Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send pictures on Hotmail, whether it's for friends, family, or work. Sharing images through email is super easy. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. Click the Sign In button and enter your email and password carefully. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Outlook homepage. Next, click the New Mail button. This opens a new email draft where you can start composing your message. In the draft window, click Default, attach a file. A file explorer will pop up. Browse your device and select the picture you want to send. To send multiple images at once, hold down the Control key while selecting files. Watch the upload progress to make sure your images attach correctly. Double check the attachment bar to confirm you've got the right files before sending. Add any message you want in the email body and verify your recipient's email address. Once everything looks good, click the Send button. Your email and attached pictures are now on their way. And that's it. You've successfully sent pictures using Hotmail. Now you can share your favorite moments or professional images easily.